Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing of ShelterDrake. No, ShelterDrake at 780 GP. Hasbro. Okay, let's get started. I just got home from work. Let's go.
Spoke up thoughtfully in a surprising show of support. I remember that Kurt and Evan were supposed to go with them, but they lost a bet or something Thursday and had to go shopping for food for the mansion instead. Lance smirked a little, but left store. Cyclops, Jean Grey, and of course Harry Potter, all at the mansion. In other words, the heavy hitters will still be there. But I made another suggestion. I think we should split up too. Fred and Todd should handle Kitty and Rogue easily. Rogue's not strong enough to do much against the top if he wears it.
Okay, let's go.
Kitty won't be much of a threat either. Again, he wins, and sentimental apology his sort of kind of girlfriend's way. Betrayer and I should take out the two.
Here's the lair.
Meet up with the two of you at the mansion. I wouldn't recommend attacking it alone, though. You'd be outnumbered.
Here's the QR code.
Kendra not important.
Okay. Okay, ow. Let's go. There it is. And 0 point. But yeah, this is definitely gonna be fun to see what this guy can do. Can't wait for the other ones to come in. The green and yellow one. That'll be fun to do. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.